Hello everyone, Sharif Abuzid here with a new video, and today I want to show you how you can create sales funnels inside your WordPress website using the Cartflows plugin. If you are selling any type of info products such as online courses, ebooks or memberships, you definitely need to check out the Cartflows plugin because the plugin will help us increase the conversions coming from our website and also maximize the profits using different strategies such as adding one-click upsells, one-click downsells, adding order bumps, A/B split test our offers to know which one is generating more profits and income for our business, and also create beautiful looking checkout forms that will increase the sales from our customers. So without any further delays, let me show you how you can use Cartflows to create sales funnels inside your WordPress website. Now, to install the Cartflows, actually Cartflows comes in two copies. The first one is the free copy or version, and you can install it by going to your plugins and click add new, search for Cartflows and just install and activate the plugin. Now, the free version will help us create like sales funnels with 3 steps: a lead generation or a landing page, a checkout page, and also a thank you page. So this is what comes with the free version, but with Cartflows Pro, you can create landing pages, checkout pages, upsells, downsells, add order bumps, and also of course a thank you page for your sales funnels. So definitely if you need to build complete sales funnels, you need to have Cartflows Pro. Now, before showing you the main settings and how you can use Cartflows, there is something that you would definitely need to know first, which is that Cartflows actually depends in the WooCommerce plugin, which is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. So first you need to have the WooCommerce plugin installed and then create your products inside or using the WooCommerce products. All you need to do is that you need to go to products and then click add new, and you find that you can just click add a new product by adding a product name, the price, and also add the product image here. So you need only to add these 3 information inside your products: the name, the price, and also an image if you plan to use this product as an order bump. As you can see, I have went through and created 3 or 4 products for my this testing website. I have created a main product, which is a WordPress Essentials course, an order bump, an upsell, and a downsell. These are the products that I'm going to use to build my sales funnel. Now, for Cartflows itself, once you install it, you'll find a tab like this called Cartflows. And let's first check out the dashboard of Cartflows. The dashboard includes like an overview of the performance of all of your funnels created with Cartflows. You'll find the total revenue, how many orders, and some other data here, and also quick links to the documentation, to the support. The most important part of the dashboard is the global settings icon, which you definitely need to check out before creating your sales funnels. The most important settings here inside the global settings is the general tab. Here you need to choose which templates that you need to view or which page builder that you are using to build your sales funnels. Now, Cartflows team has created so many templates that will help us create our sales funnels using these templates without the need to create them from scratch. And these templates has been created using different page builders such as the Block Editor page builder, which is the default WordPress page builder, and also Elementor, Beaver Builder, and some other page builders. I think they have created also some templates for the Thrive Architect page builder. So here I have chosen that I would like to use the templates coming from Elementor because I have some issues when I try to use templates created with the Block Editor itself. And also you need to check out the integrations tab if you want to integrate Cartflows with something like Facebook Pixel. And of course you need to add your license key if you are using the Pro version of Cartflows. These are the main settings that you need to check out inside the global settings, and maybe also need to check out the permalink to know what is written inside the URL of your sales funnels. So these are the global settings that you need to check out before creating your first funnel. For the funnels here, for the funnels tab, this will include all the funnels that we create using Cartflows. And for the checkout store, here you can just choose a checkout store or a checkout or a default checkout form for your products created with the WooCommerce. If you don't want to use Cartflows, you can just use Cartflows to set up a default checkout form for all of your products you created with the WooCommerce. For the funnels, as I mentioned, we need to go to the funnels tab. To create a new funnel, we just need to click create funnel. And as you can see now, I am asked to choose which template to be used to create this funnel. All of these templates are created with Elementor Page Builder because I have chosen Elementor as my main page builder for this website. Now, you'll find different types of templates here. If you want to know how many pages are included inside any of these templates, all you have to do, and also you'll find that there are some templates marked as pro. You can't have access to these templates unless you have Cartflows Pro. And by the way, if you consider buying Cartflows Pro, I will leave down below my affiliate link if you like to use it to buy Cartflows Pro. So to know how many steps are included inside each of these steps, each of these templates, you just need to click view all steps, and you'll find that this template, for example, has or includes 3 pages or steps: the landing page, the checkout page, and also the thank you page. If you like to view any of these, just need to click it, and you will see how does the design of the checkout page, for example, looks like. Now, I like to use one. It's called the vacuum cleaner. I think it's called this one, because if you go to and view the steps, you'll find that this template includes a landing page, a checkout page, an upsell, and also a thank you page. Now, if you like to use any of these templates, all you have to do is to click import funnel, then give this a name. So let's call this WordPress course funnel, and let me fix this. I don't like to see spelling mistakes in front of me. You just need to click import funnel and give it a few seconds to be imported. Once the funnel is imported, now you'll find that we are being redirected into the funnel itself. So let's give this a few more seconds, and I can see that it's being imported now. And here it is. Now, as you can see, this funnel includes 4 steps or 4 pages: the landing page, the checkout page, the upsell, and also the thank you page. Of course, we can add a downsell to this funnel if you like by clicking add new step, and here we can add another downsell step or page to this funnel. For all of these pages, you'll find that you can see the number of views, how many views did this page receive, how many conversions, and the revenue generated with this page. Also, you'll have access to 3 icons. The first one will give you access to, you can just use it to view the step, to view the design itself of this page. And also you can edit the step, you can edit the design of this page or step. Also, you have access to the settings page. And here the 3 dots will give us access to the duplicate option, A/B test, and also we can delete this step altogether from this funnel. Now, let's open the, let's click the edit step to show you how you can change the content of this step, which is the sales landing page of our WordPress course funnel. As you can see, this is the design of our landing page. Of course, because this is something that's not relevant to WordPress, we need to change the text. For example, we need to change this. All you need to do is just, you need to highlight it, and you can just change it from here. So let's say WordPress course. Of course, you need to come up with something more enticing and more attractive for your funnels, for your readers. But the main thing that you need to know inside the landing page is the button that you need to add to be for the visitors to be redirected into the next step. And Cartflows adds like buttons for each of these steps inside Elementor Page Builder, inside the default block editor, and the other page builders as well. So you need to add this button. If we click here, you'll find that this button is not the default button coming with Elementor. This is a Cartflows button. Well, here all you need to do is that you need to click to change this text. So my course will cost like $197, so I just changed this to be here. So we need to add this button coming from Cartflows. Once you do this, you just need to click update. Of course, you need to change the copy of this page. To click update, now all of our work is done inside this step. So let me just close this step here. So let's go to the checkout page, and this is important page. As you can see, we have like an error message showing here, which is no product assigned, because we need to assign a specific product inside this step. And we can do this by going to the settings tab here. So let's open the settings of the checkout page, and as you can see, this is easy to be done. Back in the days before Cartflows 2.0, we had to open a new page, but now the Cartflows team has made it much easier for us to change the settings of our checkout pages and also landing pages and upsells and downsells. Now, here inside these settings, we need to do a few things. First, we need to add a product inside the checkout page. We can do this by just clicking here and search for our product. I think I called it main product. So let's just, this is our main product, and we need to click add here. So once we do this, now we can make a few changes. You can just leave the price of the product itself or the course itself as it is. But if you like to buy or apply a discount, you just click here. If you want to click add the original price, if you want to add a percentage discount, or if you want to discount the price altogether. I like to discount this to be something like percentage, like 20%. As you can see now, the price of this product will be, instead of 197, it will be 157. And here also we can add, this adding products comes with the free version, but adding an order bump comes with the pro version. So if you want to add an order bump to your step, you definitely need to have Cartflows Pro. So to add an order bump, actually here we can add different order bumps. You don't need to add just one order bump. You can add, I think, 5, 4, 7, whatever number, if you like to add an order bump. So let's say that the order bump, first one, I will call this ebook order or offer. Let's call this offer. I will just click add here. And then we need to make some changes to the order bump. So we need to first make it like active. And then we need to click here to add and connect our ebook order bump to this offer. Here you'll find that you have like 4 tabs. Yes, 4 tabs. You need to choose the product for the order bump. So we need to search for our product. I think I called it order bump. So let me search for it here. No, so let me just write ebook and see if we can grab it. So this is our ebook here. We just need to click add here. So now our order bump has been added. Again, if you like to add, like to make any type of discounts, you can make it here. So let's say that I want to discount this with like 80% discount. You'll find that the price has changed for the order bump from $2.7 to $5 only. Of course, there are a few changes. There are a few options here. For example, I want to add a content under the one-time offer here. You just can add the content in here. So let me add it here. Of course, you can just change the title from one-time offer. Let's say for $5.9 only. Let's say this. You can change it from here. Of course, you can choose the design. You can choose different styles for your order bumps. Let's say this is an order bump. You can just click add. Let's say this style number 3. I mean, there are different types of styles here you can choose for the order bump, and also you can add some conditions for this. Then we need to click save settings. The last step that I like to do inside the checkout form is the number of fields that will appear when someone tries to buy our product. As you know, the less items you ask people to complete, the more sales you are getting. So we need to go to, I need to disable the coupon field, to disable the additional field, and also all things different or relevant to shipping. And for the field editor, if we click here, I need to disable some fields here. All I need is the first name, last name, and also the email address. So I'll just disable all of these fields here so they don't show up when someone tries to buy my product. So I click save settings. Here you'll find different like dynamic offers and also the settings if you want to change the URL of this. So I want to change this to be something like WordPress course. So let's say WordPress course checkout, and I will just click save settings again. By the way, make sure that under each tab you need to click save settings. So if you make any changes here, you need to make save settings. You need to click save settings. But I think the Cartflows team need to make this change. We just need to click save settings once. We don't need to click save settings for any change that we make under any of these tabs. So let's click save settings again to be in the safe side. And then we need to close this tab. So now to design the checkout page itself, we need to click in the edit step. As you can see now, the error message, which was no product assigned, has disappeared here because we have already chosen a product inside the settings tab of the checkout page or the checkout step itself. So let's open the checkout page inside Elementor or using Elementor. Of course, again, you can make any changes here. Of course, you can change the title. So let's say come buy and buy my course. Let's say come and buy the most amazing WordPress course, for example. Of course, you need, again, you can come up with something more creative. But the most important part inside the checkout step is you need to add the checkout button or checkout field itself using Elementor. So if we click here, and if we try to click here to find this, you'll find this is the checkout form button or widget inside Elementor. If you don't find it, you just click here and let's say checkout. So this is the checkout form created or added by the Cartflows. So if we click here, we can edit the step itself. We can select different layouts for this. Usually I like to have a 1-column layout. So this is a 1-column layout, but if you like to have a 2 columns, you just need to click here. You'll find a 2-column here. Did you notice something? I still have a few fields here. I think this because I didn't click save settings when I changed the fields of my order or checkout form, but I can do this at a later stage, maybe after we close the checkout form here. Again, you can make all of the changes. You can just make this like a 2-step or a multi-step. You can just make it a multi-step, or you can just make this like, I think we have a 2-step. Yes, this is the 2-step. You can make this a 2-step checkout. So you have one tab for the shipping or the main data, first name, last name, and also another tab for the payment. And this, I think, increase the number of conversions. But again, you can split this between the 2-step opt or checkout form and a 1-step or 1-column checkout form. Again, you can make a few changes here. For example, I like to add a shadow around the checkout form. So I just go for the advanced tab. I will go to the borders, then I will choose shadow. And then I think we need to add a few paddings here. So let's go to the layout tab. For the padding, let's add a 20 pixel padding, and I think this now looks fine here. So we are done inside the checkout page. So let's click update. And let me go back to the step itself and make sure that the checkout fields are less. So let's go to checkout form and let's go to the field editor. As you can see, I haven't saved these. So let's click to save these. I will just leave the email address and the first name and the last name. For the shipping address fields also, I will just disable everything here. I don't need all of these. I'll just disable all of these, and then I will click save settings. Again, as I mentioned, we need to click save settings if we make any changes under these tabs here. So let's click close, and now the checkout page is almost done, is actually done. Now we need to do the same for the upsell. So let's click open settings. And here we need also to add our product. So let me search for the upsell product. So let's call this upsell. I like to name them so we can just search for them very quickly. So this is our upsell product. I just need to click add, and then I can give this a discount of, let's say, 90%. So let's say 90%. I think, let's be discount. I like to give this a discount percentage of 90%. And here the price has changed from $297 to just $2.70. I think I don't need to make any changes here. I just need to click save settings again to make sure everything is saved, and then we click here. Now for the design of the upsell, let's click in the edit step again, because I want to show you something very important, which is the buttons that you need to add. So if someone clicks the accept offer, this upsell product will be added to their order. If they click reject offer, this product will not be added to their order. So let's go to the Elementor view here. And of course, in the upsell page, you need to make sure that the price added inside the upsell page reflects your the price that you have added inside the upsell settings. So make sure that the price is $129. I think this was the price that we have added inside our product. The last thing that you need to make sure you are adding inside the upsell page is the upsell reject or accept button, which is added by the Cartflows developers inside the Elementor. So we need to click here and search for the button. Down below you'll find some buttons or some widgets added by Cartflows. We need to have the offer yes and no button, which has been added by this template as well. So if we click to edit the button itself, you'll find that we have actually added the buttons twice. The first time is to accept the offer. So if someone clicks here, the offer will be accepted and the amount of the upsell will be added to the order of the upsell. And for the second tab or the second, the duplicate button, you'll find that the offer action is reject. So if someone clicks here, this upsell will not be added to their order bumps, to their order of where they are selling or buying our products. So this is what we need to do inside the upsell page. Then we need to click update to make sure that everything is updated. Now, if we go back to the funnel itself, you'll find that the error message that was appearing inside the upsell page has disappeared. And for the thank you page, we need to do the same. Again, we need to make sure that we are adding the order summary button inside the page itself when we design it with Elementor. And for the settings, let me open the settings and see if we need to make any changes here. I think you can just enable the order overview, order details. You can just make all of this. If you don't like to show the billing details, for example, you can just disable it from here. And let me just, open and edit the page. So let me just edit the step to show you how you can work inside the thank you page. So as you can see inside the thank you page, we have the order summary, the order details widget, which includes the order overview, order details, billing address, and shipping address if has been added here. Of course, you can change the title of this order summary. Of course, you can add whatever you want inside this page because Elementor is a very powerful page builder. But the one that we need to make sure that we are adding inside the thank you page is the order details widget, and then we need to click update if we made any changes. Now we need to test this sales funnel. So again, we have a landing page, a checkout page, an upsell, and a thank you page. So let me open this incognito mode and let's try to see what will happen if we try to go through this sales funnel. So this is my sales page, and when I click this button, I should be redirected into my checkout page. And this is my checkout page, and that includes my first name, last name, and let me add or change this email address here. And this checkout page also includes my main product, which I'm selling to my customers, and there is an option for them to choose my order bump. I would just click here to add it to my total. Now the total has been changed from 157 only to 163. Now let me try to place the order and see if the upsell will appear. And this is my upsell here. Of course, you can just make sure that you are changing the button text to be something like add to my order or something like this. So I just click send gift. Now it's processing my order, which should include my main product, order bump, and the upsell as well. When you go down here, you'll find that we have in the order or in the purchase details, I have my main product, the order bump, and also the upsell page. So this is the complete sales funnel. Of course, you can add, as I mentioned, a downsell step for the people who rejects your upsell page. So this is a complete sales funnel, which includes a sales page, a checkout page with an order bump, and also an upsell. So if you go back again to the Cartflows website and we check the features again, you'll find that the plugin help us add one-click upsells, downsells, order bumps, A/B split testing, and also, as you can see, we'll have access with high conversion templates, and also we can design our checkout forms and we can give them a modern design style, and we can use the plugin to generate leads, and also we'll have access to a great number or a huge number of analytics that will help us make right decisions when it comes to setting up our sales funnels and selling our products. For the plugin pricing itself, it comes in 3 plans. You can buy it for, we can choose from the starter plan, the plus plan, and also the pro one. I think the plus plan is makes more sense because it includes order bumps, upsells, downsells, and also smart funnel routing, which I'm going to show in another video. I think this plan is the most appropriate one for most of us. Again, if you plan to buy Cartflows, I will appreciate it if you use my affiliate link down below to buy the plugin, because you don't pay any extra money, but I take a small commission if you buy through my affiliate link. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.